walked through the darkest valleys, I have stood against the wind. I've carried doubts upon my shoulders, fought battles deep within. There were moments I felt broken, there were nights I lost my way, but every scar became a lesson that would help me face the day. The flames were never there to break me, they were there to make me strong. Every challenge, every setback was preparing me all along. Through the fire I rise, higher than before. Every flame becomes the strength I've been searching for. Through the fire I rise, brighter than the sun. The journey isn't over, it's only just begun. I am stronger, I am wiser, I am standing tall. Through the fire I rise, and I will never fall. Like the eagle rides the storm winds, like the river finds the sea. I have learned that every hardship can unlock the best in me.